Today we're going to explore something really fascinating, emotions. Have you ever felt happy, sad, excited, or even angry? Well, those are all different kind of emotions, and they are all super important in helping us understand ourselves and others. What are emotions? Emotions are like colors in our hearts and minds. Just like we have different colors in a crayon box, we have different feelings inside us. Let's talk about some common emotions. Happiness, sadness, anger, fear, and excitement. Why do we have emotions? Emotions help us understand how we are feeling inside. Emotions also help us communicate with others. When we're happy, we smile. When we're sad, we might cry. Those actions can make others feel better. How can we understand our emotions? Pay attention to how your body feels when you have different emotions. For example, when you're excited, your heart might beat fast and you might feel butterflies in your stomach. When we're happy, we celebrate by doing something we enjoy, like playing with friends or drawing. When we're sad, it's okay to cry and talk why do we feel that way. Sharing emotions can make us feel better. When we're angry, it's important to take a deep breath and try to calm down before we react. We can express our anger with talking it out or drawing a picture. When we're scared, we can seek comfort from people who cares about us. Remember, it's okay to be scared sometimes. It's important to ask for help when we need it. So emotions are a big part what makes us humans. They help us understand ourselves and communicate with others. It's okay to feel. Remember, it's okay to feel all kinds of emotions. It's important to talk with people who cares about us. Keep exploring your emotions and don't forget to explore kinds and understanding wherever we go. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Sandra.